Good morning, class 11. Today I will give you project work and some file work which you have to complete. File work you have to complete in manual, lab manual, and project work you have to complete on 5 pages. You have to buy and on the 5 pages and then you can complete it. See children, these are the topics for project. Topics are related to environment. Any one topic you can take. Next one related to hormonal disorders. Any type of disease. Just for example, I have given here goiter. Goiter or excretory related diseases. Any type of hormonal disorder diseases you have to write here. Then third one related to viral diseases. That means diseases should take place with the help of virus. That will be viral diseases. So viral diseases are just like once it was SARS. It was viral disease. Then hepatitis A, B, whatever. You have to continue all these type of hepatitis and then others. You can mention any one topic and should be the viral. All those diseases should be viral diseases. Next topic, pandemic diseases. Pandemic, that means it will occur throughout the world. So it is pandemic disease. Just now in the recent it is corona. Very earlier it was plague. Now it is eradicated. Then also you can make a project about the plague. Then you have to mention that in such and such year we got the vaccination of plague. Now it is totally eradicated. You have to mention it. But corona you can't mention about the vaccine. And pox, measles, whatever. This is also pandemic disease. It was. So for pox also we got the vaccination and then you have to mention there about their vaccination and how it was eradicated and how it is going on from the childhood. All the vaccinations. Fifth point, deficiency diseases. Deficiency means when some component in our body becomes less. Either it will be hormone, it will be deficiency of some organ for their function or other things. Just for example, I have written here diabetes, or if the liver will be in disorder, then it is known as liver cirrhosis, when liver is not functioning properly. The next topic, culture of few small animals. Culture of few small animals for their occupation. How they are culturing some small animals to complete their occupation, and these are the sources of the occupation, sources of the money. Just like earthworm, culture of earthworm, culture of fishes, either in aquarium or in pond, whatever. So among these topics, you have to mention for your project any one topic. Now children, project will be of 15 pages. 13 to 15 pages. Among it, 2 or 3 pages you have to left for your diagrams. Either at the last or you can paste in between. If you can draw it, then it is very good. Don't worry about it that I will not drawing too much or too good. So you can paste it also and you can draw also. But all together combinedly project file will be of 14 to 15 pages, not less than 8. And if you will paste the diagram at the last, or you will draw, then the diagram will be at the last, and if you will paste, then you can paste in between while writing pages. And when I will give you the day to submit these projects, then you will come to school and submit. I will be there, then I will collect it. Don't think that why school is not opened, so how ma'am will take the files and other things. So please, you have to complete it. On Monday also in class I told you, all the bio students, about these things, and now I am giving in written in the video. Next, come here. What you have to do in your lab manual. If you have taken it, very well. If you have not taken, then you have to buy it. I don't know where you can find it. Allahabad, Varanasi, whatever, I don't know. So in the lab manual, draw and write comments on. Draw, first you have to draw it, then you have to write the comments. Monday in the doubt class I explained you already. So how many points you have to write. And now I am giving you the writing. In writing, see, first one animal belongs to each phylum from Protozoa to Mammalia. All the phylum have one example. Just like for Protozoa, you will draw the amoeba. Then up to mammal, just like for mammal, you have to draw a rat or squirrel. One example you have to draw to show their particular character in which phylum they are belonging. Next, B. For slide preparation. Slide you will prepare while school will open, but drawing you have to do here, and you have to write the comment in your lab manual. See, transverse section of dicot and monocot root both, and you will write the comment how we can identify the root or the stem, that it is dicot or monocot. So maximum 2 or 3 points are there. If you want to write full, then you can write full. Otherwise, you have to write those points which are very useful, very necessary to identify them. Please children, follow it. Then transverse section of monocot and dicot stem. One plant cell you have to draw. Which plant cell you are studying since very lower classes. So one plant cell you have to draw. But according to practical, you have to take out this plant cell from onion peel. So while practical, we will do in the lab. Otherwise, in lab manual, you have to complete it. Then next is stages of mitosis. Again, stages of mitosis, simply you draw here and you write the points, comments, and when school will open, then in the onion root, we will show you the stages of mitosis and you will do it. So these things you have to draw here. Then C, A, B, now C. Write an experiment on the following topics. These experiments you have to write as in class 10th. Only you draw the diagram and you have written the experiment. You not done it. In this class, you have to do it. When school will open, then you can do it. But see, for osmosis, Hissel funnel method you did in class, that means you have seen in class 10th. Same experiment you have to write, which help to show the process of osmosis. Next, transpiration, you have to write 2 experiments. One is Genome photometer method, how the rate of transpiration we can calculate, and next one cobalt chloride paper method, how we can identify that transpiration is going on. Only these two experiments you have to write about transpiration. Then plasmolysis. On onion peel, you have to draw only the structure of cell for plasmolysis, but while in lab you have to do it with the onion peel. How the cell is plasmolized from turgid to plasmolized. You have to do it in the lab. But you have to draw here. Draw and write comment. Then next, structure of stomata on Rio leaf. Rio leaf, children, these are the leaves, or it is a decorative plant. All the leaves are having one surface is with green color, one surface is with violet color, or suppose blackberry color mostly. And when we take out the peel of it, then we can see very well the structure of stomata. So please, you children, draw the structure of stomata and write the comment about it. And these leaves, or these are the dicot plants, so you have to draw the dicot stomata, not the monocot. Structure of stomata is over. Then next one, necessity of carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight in photosynthesis. So you have to mention 3 experiments. Why light is necessary for photosynthesis, that is sunlight. Why carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis, again you have to mention 1 experiment. And why chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. These 3 experiments you have to write to show the necessity of these elements for photosynthesis. If any one is suppressed or become less, then you studied about it in class 10, that these are the limiting factors, then photosynthesis will be less, or ultimately photosynthesis will be stopped. So here are the experiments you have to write in your lab manual. Please children, lab manual work you have to complete with pencil only. I don't want that any remover or you will rub it while clearing the page. Simply you will write with the pencil. Where there is mistake, you can rub it and clear it. Yeah, project you can write with the pen. If you will do it, then I don't want to see any whitener. You have to change the page. And in this project, don't complete the first page, because it will, we will tell you, not we means I will tell you what you will write on the first page, that is preface. And at the last, children, I need some bibliography. Bibliography I need, and you, whatever you have mentioned the words in it, you have to write the proper meaning in bibliography. And also you have to mention the names of scientists, whatever you have used in your project. Okay children, this is your project work, lab manual work. Please complete it within 1 month. I will give you day and date, and you will submit to me when I will tell you, and I will be there in school and you will come and submit me. Okay children, thank you. God bless you.